The best way to use ChatGPT online is this. You can open your browser and write www.chatgpt.com. Enter. Now you can. I'm sorry. It's in Spanish in my computer, but you can do login. If not, you can ask anyway wherever you want. Tell me how, for example, how to inspire me about the composition. Well, I will write in the wrong way. ChatGPT will understand anyway. Composition, musical, sad, short, 1 minute, only with piano. Enter. Then you will have a good recommendation, but I will stop. Can you see that the answer can be so long? Then stop the answer. I will write again. Answer me in a short way, not more than 30 words, for example. Then you can ask again and again about the same topic. I don't know why. It's composition low. It's perfect. It's very short answer. Then remember, when you ask to ChatGPT, you have to tell her. I suppose that it's a woman. I don't know why. You need to ask. You need to say her 5 things. First of all, you ChatGPT are medical eyes specialist. Okay. 2. I need a good solution for my eyes every morning are red. 3. You need to put in context to ChatGPT. Then you can say, for example, every night I take my dinner at 8 p.m. and eat only ham with eggs. I sleep over my pillow with lots of la 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 la. I took a shower every night. La 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 la. Put in context. Next. 4. Tell her how many words you need the answer. If not, we will experience the same that you saw 2 minutes ago. 5. You can tell lots of things that you want. For example, give me the answer with emojis. Give me with an image associated. Generate an image about red eyes. Give me the answer in 3 languages, etc., etc., etc. Then you will get the answer very quickly. You have a very good answers at the beginning. After that, the ChatGPT will tell you, oh, it's enough for today. The free version is enough. Okay, don't worry. You will not use the 4.0 version. You will use the 3.0, 3.5. It's the same. Don't care. You can use it free anyway. Well, it's enough for now. Thank you. Bye bye.